Alright, this is Minecraft Super Admin again, and the last tutorial was I messed up on the last portion, so I'm going to just skip to that real quick and show you the endings of part 2. Okay, so I'm not going to talk, just going to roll. Okay. And it's done. So that down, left, upright, down, left, upright is the last piece that was missing. You just keep doing it until you get it. And this is the end. That's how you solve it. Thanks for watching.